Welcome to day 14 of a movement a day Qigong. I can't believe it's taken us 14 days to get to tapping, but here we are. We're going to do it today. So we'll just start with a light fist over the chest. You can use your fingers if you want. You can use your open palms. It's totally up to you. But we're just stimulating the energy here in the middle dantian. This area oftentimes is a place where we hold a lot of emotional energy, so you might want to do a healing breath. Just let that energy go. Then we're going to come over to the beginning of the lung meridian, right underneath the clavicle, and then open hand down the inside of the arm and back up the outside of the arm. So we're following the yin meridians as we go down, and we're following the yang meridians as we go up. So we're actually going in the direction that they flow in, which is great for stimulating that way. Let's tap over to the other side. The yin meridians are the lung, the heart, and the pericardium. The yang meridians, small intestines, large intestines, and the triple warmer. So we're really giving our body a complete massage. All of our internal organs are getting stimulated by this movement because we're unified whole, and these meridians connect to those organs internally. Turn around a little bit and we'll do the lower back, kidney area, up and down a little bit. I'm getting some bladder points here. And then we'll open our hands. We'll come down the back and outside of the meridians. This is the yang organs. Yin organs are coming up and in. So we got the bladder, the gallbladder, and the stomach as we go down. And we've got the spleen, the kidneys, and the liver as we go up. So yeah, this is the best way to keep all of your different organs healthy because they're all getting stimulated. Back down we go. And then just over the navel, the Qi, letting the body know that you're wanting it to do its thing. And come around and do, since we're tapping, let's just tap a few more areas. The hips. Let's come up into the armpit. Stimulate the lymph flow there. A lot of lymph nodes right under the armpit. We can also do the head. You can rub as well, or you can tap. Come down the forehead, the eyebrows, into the temples, right under the eyes, right over the mouth, right around under the mouth. And then let's just do a little rub. Now, another variation of this is you can just do a rub, and I actually prefer that to the tapping. So following that same meridian flow, just rub down and rub back up. Rub over to the other side, rub down and rub back up. It's more gentle, I like it. And then the same thing, you can rub your kidneys and then rub down the back of the legs and rub up, across the chi belt, down the legs and back up. Just notice how the body's feeling. Congratulate yourself for taking another moment to do some more Qigong. And we'll see you back here tomorrow for day 15. Thank you for practicing with me today. You're amazing. I'll see you tomorrow.